Have you ever wondered how dogs protect sheep from wolves? Why don't the wolves just kill them? Believe it or not, wolves are too smart to kill the shepherds. When they hunt, wolves always take the lowest risk. Knowing that the shepherds will notify humans, they rather avoid farms. Even if they attack, there is not much chance for them. You see, farmers usually give shepherds protection, such as a spiked collar. When wolves bite, they go for the neck and will be injured by the collar. In a rare case, one shepherd can even take down the whole pack of wolves.